It's very strange. I really never thought about it, but people actually compliment me now. It's funny. I mean, I was always the guy sitting in the background. I never. But now people are like, oh, well, you got a nice smile. They look good. I've always had problems with my gums. Going back years, my gums receded. Got a lot of cavities along the gum line, below where the gum used to be. Had a lot of problems with that. Then my teeth started cracking. Go to open a piece of candy, the wrapper, and my tooth cracked. I was like, this is ridiculous. And so when I first came here, we developed an idea of where we should go. The plan was to cap all of my upper teeth, all right? Do replacements where I had lost teeth, all right? So we did, the front 6 were done. I mean, when she did it, I was blown away because of, I never had anything done like that before, and it was really cool how it came out. I really never realized that I didn't smile a lot. I didn't know why, but it was something. But now, a smile means to me, well, it's me just being happy, I guess, or connecting with somebody else. People notice the way I smile, and it can be life-changing. It is life-changing, and it's great that people notice it. It's been great.